guys, it's me Niva. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make JOJO SIWA bows, which is inspired by her JOJO SIWA. And so let's get into it. Let's go. Things you will need are a half-inch ribbon. I have 1 meter, but I have cut it into half. Like this, I have cut it. You can but I don't have that much thick ribbon, so I have taken this small one. So you can make small bows if you like, and big bows like the same method. And you will need this copper wire. You can take any size you want. I have not measured it right, so you will need this wire, as you can see, and a clip, but I am using this clip. With the actual bow, she's using the alligator clip, but I don't have, and in my ear there is no alligator clip, so I am using this bobby pin. It also works. So let's get into it. First you have to take the ribbon like this, and then you have to take it and cut it like that, like this slanting type. As you can see, I have already cut it. And then make sure that you have adult supervision, because while cutting or afterwards cutting, you have to fire this here, so that its thread will not come out, and like this it looks. Then you have to take 2 ends, which we have done like this, and make like this, okay? And then take the 2 ends and fold a little bit like this, like I have done. And then you have to do like this, so that this line will come like here. Your line will come, because you have to do that like that. And then take the loop we have made earlier, and then take that loop and add it like here, like this. This is okay. Now you have to do the same thing right here. And then open the full ribbon. As you can see, there is lines come here, like that. Everywhere you have to take the lines. Then take right here, you have to take this, and you have to take right there, like this. Okay, you have to cross the line which we have making earlier, and do that same with the another also. This will look like a simple bow, but it's little tricky afterwards. Then do that with the same, but you have to take it downwards like that. You have to take this and put it right here. Look at how this bow looks. So cute. I love it, literally. Right, and then do the same with here. And then then slowly take all the part in the between, and this will look like this. And then put the copper wire in between. It's optional, you have to add copper wire or you can use hot glue, but this wire is little bit sharp, so you have to have parent supervision. After adding this much, like when your bow is secured in the place, then do more if your wire is too long, and then take your bobby pin or alligator pin like that. If you don't see it, then add that to in between and then if you can add a ribbon in between to hide this, but I like it like that, so I'm not gonna be adding this ribbon. You can also decorate it with rhinestones and other things, but I want to keep it very simple, so I'm not adding that all things. You can add what you like. My bow is ready. It's so cute. And if this is small, but my ribbon was small, so my bow is also small, and you can use hot glue to both secure it in the between after putting the wire, and you can add like this or like put it your hair backwards and add. You can do many things, but it's so cute. I love it, and I absolutely love JOJO SIWA as my channel art. You can see there is craziness overload, but many bows inside it, and I love it so much. And you guys know that JoJo Siwa always wear a side ponytail, but I have no time to do a side ponytail, so I have just added like here, and you can do many hairstyles with it, but make sure you have to subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post videos, and make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and comment down below next item which should I do about facts of anyone and DIYs. So guys, please comment down below and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye. Peace out.